Today I will show how I make chicken pizza with ready-to-bake signature pizza crust and chicken from chicken curry in 12 minutes. It had come out very well when I made it, so I thought of sharing it with you. Pizza will be on the table within much shorter time and much less physical labor than the ready-to-bake pizza crust from Pillsbury that I had shown earlier in my channel. I have taken Signature's mini original pizza crust. It has two regular crusts. Its diameter is about 8 inches. It is easier to cut and take out the pizza crusts from the bottom. I have taken them straight out of the refrigerator. I have not defrosted them. For this recipe, I have preheated the oven at 400°F for 20 minutes. As you can see, they are already cooked to a certain extent. It is this factor that will help to bake pizza in much shorter time compared to the ready-to-bake pizza crust from Pillsbury, which I had shown in previous videos. I have taken a non-stick baking tray. I poured olive oil 1/4 teaspoon to lubricate the part of the tray where the pizza will be placed. This part that looks like moon will be up and the part with the green lines will be at the bottom. I place the pizza crust on top of the oil so that it does not stick to the tray and it is easy to take it out. I coated the entire pizza with Ragu's homemade style pizza sauce, about 3 teaspoons. Make sure the oil that you are using doesn't have very strong smell, otherwise some people may not want to eat the pizza. For the cheese, I have used Italian style 6 cheese blend, 3/4 cup. I've spread it on the pizza uniformly. However, the edges must not be coated with cheese because when the cheese melts, it will spread and may drip on the tray. In the absence of 6 blend cheese, you can use any cheese that you have at home, including slices. In case of slices, 4 to 6 slices can be used. For seasoning, I have used McCormick's Italian seasoning, about 1/2 tablespoon. Organic's crushed red pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon. And Signature's oregano leaves, 1/4 teaspoon. For the chicken, I have taken chicken pieces from my homemade Indian curry. About 2 to 4 pieces will be required. I washed them with water to get rid of the curry. I broke the chicken pieces into small pieces and distributed them on the pizza. I did not use the bones and cartilages. The chicken will have a very nice taste. In its absence, roasted chicken can also be used. However, the roasted chicken needs to be soaked in water for 5 to 10 minutes to make it soft. In case of raw chicken, boil some chicken pieces with salt, drain water and then use it on the pizza. I placed the baking tray in the middle of the preheated electric oven. I baked the pizza at 350°F in convection mode for 10 to 12 minutes or till it became golden brown. After 12 minutes, the pizza is done. It looks beautifully baked. I took it out and placed it on the table. To serve it like it is served in India, I garnished it with oregano leaves, crushed bell pepper, and Maggi tomato ketchup regular. The baking time will vary with make and model of the oven, so recommendation is to start with 10 minutes, then move up by 1 to 2 minutes at the same temperature till the desired result is achieved. Then with a pizza cutter, I have cut the pizza into 4 regular pieces. As you can see, it is very soft, juicy, cheesy and yummy. It serves 1 to 2 persons. Please make it at home and let me know in the comment box how it was. If you like this recipe, then please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have any question, then please write in the comment box. I always answer. I will be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, bye.